In this video, I will show you how to simply free up storage space in your TikTok app. Quite a lot number of people that have TikTok app are not aware of this. As a result of this, there are a lot of junk file, download file that have been installed on your TikTok app. And as a result of this might make your TikTok more load faster. And at the same time, it consumes a lot of storage space on your phone. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, just follow along and see how you can free up storage space in your TikTok app. Open up your TikTok app. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on profile. Then go ahead and click on this three slider. Click on settings and privacy. Scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down right here until you get to free up space. Go ahead and click on that. Just like so. So at the time of making this video, this particular TikTok here is as occupy about 1.9 gig storage on my phone. What we want to do here is to clear cache. Go ahead and click on clear cache. Click on clear. Boom. Then go ahead and simply click on download right here. Click on clear.